Hi, hello, welcome to mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.2 from the Triangle and its Properties 7th class ncert. Question number 2. Find the value of the unknown interior angles x in the following figures. Here I took two figures randomly. We have to find the x value, that is the interior angle. In earlier classes we learnt about the exterior angle property, but here we had to find the interior angle. By using that property, we can find these interior angles also. First of all, write the property here. That is exterior angle property of triangle. If you take any triangle, this is the exterior angle property. That means an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. It means if you take exterior angle, this is equal to the sum of these two opposite interior angles. Here also, this is the exterior angles. Here, this is equal to the opposite interior angles. This is the property, that is the exterior angle property of a triangle. So by using this property, we can find the value that may be interior angle or exterior angle we can find easily. So let's start. Here 125 degrees. This is the exterior angle is equal to the x. In order to find this, I am naming it as P, Q and R. So 125 degrees is equal to the angle x plus here Q. This symbol is resembles to 90 degrees, right? So that is 90 degrees. 125 degrees, this is plus, it goes to the opposite side, it gets negative, and 90 degrees is equal to x. 125 degrees minus 90 degrees is equal to 35 degrees is equal to x. Finally, x is equal to 35 degrees. It is the interior angle of the given triangle. Here also same, this is A, B is C. Here A angle A plus angle B is equal to the angle C. By using this, x plus 35 degrees is equal to the 75 degrees. Now x is equal to the 75 degrees. This is plus, it goes to the opposite side, it gets negative. So 35 degrees. X is equal to the 40 degrees. This is the interior angle of the given figures. This is the exterior angle property. By using this property, we can find any angle, that is interior or exterior angle we can find. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.